Paris, come on. I come here to relax, meditate, and I do naughty spells. Witches always go in nature to do spells. You having fun? Are you having fun? Let's go do that. Come on. Go do that, buddy. Go. You remember last time you got sick? You ate something? So just be good, okay? Don't eat anything and don't go in the tall grasses. There is a lady that's hugging a tree. That's literally what I do too. Isn't it beautiful here? Let's go. Let's go. Go do that. Go do that, baby. Go. Guys, look at this tree. Isn't it cool? Paris, come here. So this is where I do all my photo shoots. Illegally, that is. So I can't really give you guys the location because I'll get in trouble. But I do all my photo shoots for my makeup here, for my makeup line. If you guys are interested in my makeup line, go to EllieArket.com. But until then, enjoy the sound of nature. Paris, no. Paris, go back up. Come on. Gosh, it's so annoying. Let's go. Come on. This way.